Hi friends, today I'm going to show you a very easy peanut snack. Now for this, you will be needing 2 cups of peanuts and half a cup of besan or chickpea flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt as per your taste, lemon juice or amchur powder, ginger garlic paste, a pinch of baking soda, salt and red chili powder can be adjusted as per your taste. You can also add chaat masala for extra flavoring. As you can see, now you can add little by little water and coat the peanuts with this mixture. Now you may start frying them on a medium flame. It might take a few minutes. Stir them occasionally. After they are done, you can remove them onto a paper towel. And our crunchy, yummy peanut snack is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe.